motor, or pulse motor, pulse motor fabrication update. We've salvaged enough magnets from other projects to completely fill the wheel. We have, basically we still need to improve some parts of the device. We've, basically installed the repulsion magnet. It's not lined up perfectly, but and we have our 8 cam installed along with the flywheel, and so that's basically it. More, like I said, more fine tuning is required. The closer we get the electromagnet to the magnet rotor, better results we'll have, and we'll have to, we still have to do the flyback diode to, see how it changes. Oh, I see what happened. It moves, so we got to permanently install it. But once we do that, we should be getting much better results. That's basically it. Just a short video. We'll be making more fine, more adjustments, and we should get the performance up considerably. A little bit better than this. But it's an improvement, and there's more torque, so should be enough to drive the permanent magnet alternator. If not that one, then the one we made, the multi-stated version, which is an axial flux. There you go. Oh, what's going on? Oh, jumped the chain. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. We'll post results when available. Thanks for watching.